Oh, it's freezing! Hi there, welcome to the Urban Explorer. My name is Neil. In these videos we're going to show you just how cost effective and how easy it is to convert a van, whether it be a T4, Iveco, whatever you want. It can be any type of van, but ultimately you can do it. You don't need to spend money on mechanics, joiners, electricians, plumbers. You can do it all yourself. I done it, you can do it. So in this video I'm going to show you just how I fitted a shower in the tailgate of my T4. She's called Agnes. One of the many questions that I always get asked is, how do you shower in a van? How do you stay clean? Well, it's dead easy. You can either you can jump in there. It's not too clean now. Or you can do this. So this is the T4 shower system that I fitted. It's basically a pump which goes up to the shower head, which is concealed in the tailgate of the van, which is there. It's nice and simple, it's easy, and it couldn't work any better. If you're outdoors, it doesn't matter where you are, you can get yourselves a shower. If you are somewhere where it's a little bit urban or built up, then don't worry. You can go and buy yourself one of those quick and easy tents that pop up, you can stand in, cut the hole in the top, and you can get a shower without anybody seeing, or just wear shorts. The four main things that you're going to need when you are putting a shower into your tailgate of your roof is: 1, you're going to need a shower head. Number 2, you're going to need a pump. Number 3, you're going to need some tubing. And number 4, a water container. A switch is optional as well. You can put a switch on it if you want. You don't have to. If you don't want to, you can just use connectors. But I find that a switch on it just makes it look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. There goes the fucking tractor. Depending on the size of the water container, obviously depends on how long the shower's going to be. But don't forget, weight is a consideration as well. You're going to be driving along with a great big tub of water, so I try to keep it down to about 5 litres. It gives you a quick shower, you can get a good clean, no matter where you've been or what you've been doing, you can get back in your van and you are clean. So, how do we install it all? Dead simple. So the one thing to remember is that when you do your van build, your tailgate, you will cover with some sort of thin wood or strong card or something like that. The shower head will fit perfectly inside this. It's just one hole in the middle. The bayonet fits through and it all hides within the tailgate. Then you have your piping. You have the tubing that comes off the shower, which is this one. I've just painted that bit black just so it blends in a little bit. Didn't do a very good job, but hey ho, that's life. This comes attached to the actual shower head. So from there, we go straight down to the pump. These pumps are cheap, they are 12 volts, and it's raining once again. Welcome to England. Let's carry on. So you got your pump goes straight into your shower. Out of your pump, you've got another tube. The other tube goes right down into your water tank. Dead easy. Water comes straight up, goes into the pump, out, and you're not going to need a shower in this weather, are you? Well, that couldn't be any more easier if you just use a little bit of brains. I'm not a trained mechanic, I'm not a qualified mechanic. Before I got the van, I didn't know nothing about vans. I didn't know nothing about mechanics or electrics, but you learn. YouTube is the place to learn. Find it on YouTube and you can do it yourself. Keep the money and the costs down on garage bills. But 9 times out of 10, if you are out in the wild, you're not really bothered, you don't care. Does the bear shit in the woods? Yeah, and I'm sure you will as well at some point. So just take a shower. It doesn't matter, you can do it anywhere. But this van build is so easy, it's so simple, and it's so cost effective as well. So whatever you do it well. It's dead easy, it's dead simple, it's dead cheap. You can do it, I've done it, there's nothing stopping you. We'll see you in the next video.